we are from Trendlock.io. My name is Sebastian. I'm in charge of sales and marketing. And Trendlock.io is a solution for collecting, storing, and visualizing data mainly from production companies. So what we do is basically just giving small and medium-sized enterprises the opportunity to collect and visualize all their important production value from machines, robots, sensors, whatever it is they need to be collecting, and just giving them an easy tool. The founder of, we are two founders of the company, but the founder of the solution in itself, he had a machine manufacturing business before when they weren't performing well enough that he had a solution for that part. And because he quickly found out from other managers that it was something that they needed on their own company also, he sold the machine manufacturing business and started Trendlock.io as a separate company. So far, it's basically been from reference, networking and the integrators that we had with the machine manufacturing business, and just basically by turning up to these sort of events, collecting leads, production companies that come by and see that it's interesting and then follow up. And so far, from I think 9 months that we've existed as a company, we already have 30 different companies or production companies on this solution. So the interest is growing, and we're growing fast.